But wait a minute. Does this make any sense? If the stuff the fortune teller told me about being a 1 in a 50, 100 million lucky guy was true, then why would I oversleep on the day of the race? This doesn't make any sense. That wouldn't be lucky. This is too bad. But this is so awesome. The ground's so smooth. Trampled and beaten up by everybody, I'm picking up unbelievable speed. I guess it's true. Poker Loco is the lucky guy after all. I just discovered. Why didn't anyone tell me about the mileage being 400 miles per liter? Crossing the continent is impossible. Yes, it's a pity. Let's return to out home country, Baron. There they are. I see 'em. The speed's almost refreshing. There's the rear of the group. Ah! Yeah, it's in my mouth. It can't be. This really doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. I can't be. I'm not it. I'm not 1 in 150 million after all. It's a gold coin with the manure.
Ah! There's manure on my clothes. I don't believe this. Ah!
Ah! Whoa! Yo, thank you, God. Crap, they got on my face. It reeks. This means I really was. It's true after all. Whoa! Hey, damn it. We strayed from the course. It's a cliff. We're not on the racing course. It wasn't true after all. Damn it! It's his fault. Where'd he go? It's that Indian. I thought we were on the course because that guy was running this way. It's that Indian! Did he trick us into thinking the course was this way? Damn. It's not like that. I sort of went along with him because he was running fast like that, and I just followed him. But look at the map. If we go this route, it'll be a shortcut to climb in half the distance. If you want to injure your horses, that is. I'm going back. Damn him. It's all his fault. Ugh. I'm 1 in 50, 100 million. I'll believe in that. I came to San Diego believing that if I was wrong, it's all over right here. I'm gonna win it. I'll win it. And then I'll go back home and live a happier life. Use the rope you got, if you know how to use it. Whoa! That guy, did he come all the way from the beach at that pace? How can he run like that? It's true, I got help from that Indian, but me being able to jump over that cliff, it proves my luckiness. And this guy, he thinks he's gonna win this race, eh? There's the race group. I finally met up with it. Yeah! Yo! Hey, do you know where the leader is? Maybe you're the leader. I don't think so. Your running looks lazy. Yeah! And now they just passed the 6,000 meter sign. It's finally the last third of the 15,000 meters of the first stage. After the climb, it's downhill from here. The leader is still Gyro Zappelli. It's roughly 60 to 70 lengths between him and the following group. Will he make a clean escape? Will the stage end with his getaway? How could it be? He's the leader? Gyro Zappelli's horse will begin to tire soon. A little less than 2,000 meters away is always the reasonable choice when speeding up and going for the finish line. But if I lose sight of him now, it might be impossible for me to catch up with him. To me, this race isn't about winning or the prize money, but to find out the mystery of the steel ball. I'd need his recognition. Beating him in this stage would be the easiest way. First, keep the distance between him, and then challenge him after the 2,000 meter mark. What happened? Gyro Zappelli is going off course. He's veering right. Gyro is going greatly off course. No way. What is he thinking? Could Gyro Zappelli be planning to take a shortcut? The brush is up ahead. He's going off course and into the brush. Gyro Zappelli has gone off course to the right. He's going for a shortcut. If he goes through the brush, he can shave 800 to 1,000 meters off his running distance. Gyro is going to cross the forest. But there will be obstacles. It's more of a forest than a brush. The trees are too tightly packed. It's a dangerous bet since there are many trees. Dropping speed and losing stamina is a must. But if Gyro succeeds, he'll get closer and closer to a complete sweep. What will the followers do? Which course will the followers take? The brush? The regular course? What the? Is Gyro Zappelli insane? There's a very high chance of the rider getting injured as well as the horse. And dropping speed isn't the worst thing. 2 horses are going for it. 2 from the following group are chasing Gyro. More from the following group are joining the chase. 8 horses, 7 horses. Are they accepting Gyro's bet? Gyro disappeared into the forest. What? This guy, what's he doing? He closed his eyes. What's he thinking? He's not slightly opening his eyes either, and that posture is one of confidence, not fear. It's like he decided, more like testing himself by closing his eyes. He's speeding up! Number 777 is the first to dive